Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook password without WhatsApp code. Now there are two methods to do so. First, you should go and open Facebook application on your phone, and once you open it, you should click on your profile picture on the top right side. Now click on this gear icon on the top right side. Then here you should click on see more in accounts center, and here you have these options, password and security. But when you click on password and security and click on change password, then click on your email. In this case, it might ask for WhatsApp code, and you just have to enter the current password and type the new password and retype the new password. And if you want the second method, which may not ask for WhatsApp code, you should go back and click on personal details, then click on contact info, and now you should click on your mobile right here, mobile number, then click on delete number. And by this method, when you delete your account number, it will not ask for WhatsApp code. You can also delete all the contact information. Let's say that I want to delete the email. When you click on delete email address, then click on delete, they will send a verification code to your email, and you will just have to enter the verification code just right here in Facebook, and they will show you a new page asking you to enter the new password of yours. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.